So what is decentralised ventilation? Decentralised ventilation systems eliminate the need for ducting. This can be a useful advantage in retrofit situations. Decentralised ventilation systems by inventor consist of units arranged in pairs, and these are located into the external wall. The integrated Xenion fans bring fresh air to the internal space and eliminate stale air in a coordinated manner. As well as extracting heat and stale air, the ceramic accumulator or heat exchanger also captures the incoming air and heats it before pushing it into the building. So as we move towards higher levels of insulation and better air tightness in buildings, we simultaneously need to think more about the quality of our indoor air. There's a saying in the construction sector that you build tight, but you ventilate right. So we want our homes and our workplaces to be more energy efficient, but this mustn't come at the cost of indoor air quality.